Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making zucchini stew or Shorbat Qareh. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients you will need for the zucchini stew. You'll need half a kilo of stewing beef, 1 onion diced, 156 ml can of tomato paste, 2 zucchinis, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, and about 3 to 4 cups of boiling water. And this is how your Shorbat Qareh should look like. Serve it on a bed of white rice and enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!